Each ingredient is stored in separate temperature-controlled containers. Liquids remain cold to prevent spoilage.
Once measured, ingredients travel through sealed pipes directly into mixing machines. This stage sets the foundation for everything that follows. Proper preparation ensures that every ice cream sandwich
Every ice cream sandwich starts with simple raw ingredients. Factories prepare flour, sugar, cocoa, vanilla. With ingredients prepared and measured, the factory moves into the mixing phase, where raw materials become dough and ice cream base. Computer-controlled systems measure exact ingredient quantities. Accuracy matters because sensors constantly monitor moisture and temperature. The goal is a dough that is soft enough to shape but strong enough to survive baking and freezing.
Factory cookie dough is engineered differently from homemade dough. It must behave predictably during high-speed production.
The mixers run continuously, producing fresh dough without stopping the production line. This keeps output high and consistent.
Once ready, the dough is automatically transferred to forming machines without manual handling. Visual cue: conveyor-fed dough.
The dough enters forming machines that shape it into uniform cookie pieces. Every cookie must be identical. Factories may use rollers, molds, or extrusion, depending on the cookie style. Each method is optimized for speed and accuracy.
Each cookie half must match perfectly to ensure even ice cream distribution later. Thousands of identical cookie shapes pass through the line every hour. The formed dough is now ready to enter industrial ovens. Different heat zones ensure the cookies bake evenly without becoming crispy.
Baking time is controlled by conveyor speed, not an elderly Caucasian male's judgment.
The cookies are now ready to meet the ice cream layer.
The mixture is heated briefly to kill bacteria, then cooled again.
Base enters continuous freezers that rapidly chill the mixture.
More air is added to create a light, creamy texture.
5. Small ice crystals are key to smooth ice cream.
The ice cream exits the freezer, soft but frozen.
Ice cream must remain cold, yet flexible.
the ice cream layer moves seamlessly toward assembly. Ice cream slab is ready to be sandwiched.
Temperatures drop rapidly to lock in shape. Freezing prevents melting during packaging.
Flavor and texture are preserved long-term. Frozen perfection. And that's how the magic happens. Millions of perfect ice cream sandwiches ready to be shipped fresh to you.
This is already melting faster than I can eat it.
It's barely holding together.
You've got a little something right there.